Whatever happens out there, I got us covered.
October 3rd. Intel confirmed ID's top brass were meeting near the Olympic Hotel. Command gave the order to take them in, but we had to go in light to keep a low profile. At 15:45, Delta was set to storm the target building and capture the suspects. 1 minute later, Rangers would lock down the perimeter. A convoy would be on standby near the building. Once Delta gave the signal, they would roll in, load the prisoners, and evac. The plan was simple. 30 minutes, in and out. Move fast, hit hard, and leave no man behind.
All units, Irene. I say again, Irene.
Go, let's go!
Ready? Copy, Irene.
Jumpers, proceed to the landing zone.
Roger that.
Roger.
Roger.
About to enter Holodag Road.
1 minute. Entering militia-controlled territory.
Roger. Visibility of the target area is poor. You're on your own to find a landing site.
Received.
Once we enter the market, we're in their hive. Don't underestimate their strength.
All units proceed to the LZ. In position. Requesting permission to land.
Super 6-1 cleared for landing.
4 cleared for landing.
We need to get closer to the target zone.
I'll try! C2, I need to put the bird down!
RPG!
Hold on!
Star 4-1 cleared for landing.
Roger that! About damn time.
Prepare for landing. 2 feet. 1 foot. Down. All units, when you're on the ground, establish your perimeter quickly. We've only got 30 minutes, so move fast.
We'll cover the high ground. You guys take the streets. Hostiles in the building. Take your corners.
This is McKnight. Uniform 6-4 approaching the staging area.
This is Super 6-4. Troops deployed.
This is Super 6-2. Troops are on the ground. Super 6-2, take up overhead pattern to provide sniper cover. Approaching the target building.
Loading new ammo! I need to reload! Swapping bags!
Building clear. This is Romeo 6-4. Kilo 1-1, your mission is to infiltrate the conference. The target is the white 2-story building near your target zone. Enter the building, control the area, and arrest ID's aides. You have less than 30 minutes. All shots are at the target building, Kilo 1-1. Get in position for the raid.
Engaging!
Air support incoming! Stay clear!
That's our target building!
Load new ammo!
Go, go, go! Large group of hostiles sighted!
I'm reloading! Swapping mags!
You've reached the target building. Now infiltrate and seize all suspects. The suspects are unarmed. Do not fire on them. Search every room and take in all suspects. The convoy will meet you to extract once the suspects are in your control.
The conference room is on the second floor! Get up and find it!
I'm reloading! Damn, I can't break cover! Patching up! Swapping mags! Reloading! Cover me! I'm pinned down! Swapping mags! Get down! Applying first aid! They're all over me! I need to reload! Stay down! Changing mags! Alert! Enemy attack! Just a moment! They got me pinned down! I need to reload! Get down! Engaging! Stay down! Swapping mags!
Kilo 6-4, green light, ready for extraction. Roger that, Kilo 1-1. Convoy's on its way for extraction.
I see large groups of militia. I repeat, large groups of militia approaching the target building.
Contact! Reload! Cover me!
Be advised, enemy entering the building from the rear.
Grenade out! I'm reloading! Damn, I can't break cover!
The enemy is entering through the side entrances.
2 minutes 30 until the convoy arrives.
Changing mags!
The enemy is entering through the side entrances.
Pinned down! Loading new ammo! I need to reload! Swapping
Be
mags!
advised, enemy entering the building from the rear. I see large groups of militia. I repeat, large groups of militia approaching the target building.
Enemy attack! I need to reload! Reload! Cover me!
I see a militia at the entrance.
Run! Grenade! I'm reloading! Loading new ammo! Contact! I'm stuck here!
Romeo 6-4, we're in position. Over.
How much longer?
5 minutes, sir!
What?
5 minutes!
Nothing takes 5 minutes. What happened to him? He fell! Missed the road!